Bharat's new cooperative revolution, Bharat Taxi. After Amul, this is the second big project that has been supported by Ministry of Cooperation. Why does it matter to you and me? If you have been struggling with surge pricing and drivers who are just not supportive enough or a security risk as far as aggregator taxi service is concerned, Bharat Taxi could be your answer. 4 lakh drivers who are being called Sarthis have registered already with Bharat Taxi. There are about 8 lakh customer base already that this new taxi aggregator supported by Indian government's Ministry of Cooperation has. What really changes with this new kit on the block as far as aggregator taxi services are concerned? Number one, here the Sarthi or the driver himself or herself is the boss. There is no other company, no corporate who's an intermediary. Number two, there are benefits that are being made available to the drivers here. Benefits as far as insurance is concerned, accident cover are concerned, and there are benefits for the customer as well. The customer will not face any kind of surge pricing with Bharat Taxi. There will be constant location tracker, and the police too is on board as far as this new taxi service is concerned. This has been launched in Gujarat and in Delhi for now, but in the next 3 years across the country, Bharat Taxi could be the new taxi aggregator app. Union Cooperation Minister Amit Shah launched it in Delhi earlier in the day and requested especially customers of Delhi NCR to support Bharat Taxi. क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम है कमाल, मैं बिहार से रहने वाला हूँ।
हाँ।
और मैं भारत टैक्सी में जुड़ा हूँ।
कब से जुड़े हुए?
ये हो गया मेरे को मतलब 3 महीने हो गए।
3 महीने।
हाँ, और
कैसे रहा आपका अभी तक का?
मेरा बहुत अच्छा रहा और राइड भी सही है और रेट भी सही है।
हाँ।
सभी कंपनी से अच्छे हैं।
हाँ।
पहले तो कंपनियां ने खून पी के रख दिया हमारे सबके ड्राइवर साहब को, कोई नहीं सुनने वाला था। एक मेरा सरकार आए अमित शाह लेके ड्राइवर के हित में, तो बहुत अच्छा हुआ, उनका बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि हमारे ये अमित शाह ने ले आए और अच्छी है।
अभी तक आप 25 ड्यूटी कर चुके हैं?
25 ड्यूटी, हाँ ट्रायल में मैं 25 ड्यूटी कर चुका
कर
हूँ
चुके हैं।
और उसमें भी सवारियाँ हमारी है, बहुत खुश है कि यहाँ के पैसे कहीं और स्टेट में न जाए, हमारा पैसे यहीं रहे, हमारे ड्राइवर यहीं कमाए और यहीं पैसे ड्राइवर के पास रहे।
अच्छा, तो आपने कैसे सुना भारत टैक्सी के बारे में, कैसे जुड़े आप?
मेरे ग्रुप हैं
हाँ।
तो उन्हें बतलाया ऐसे ऐसे भारत टैक्सी हैं, तो हमने चलाना चालू किया।
पहले आप किसी और के लिए गाड़ी चलाते थे?
नहीं, हम खुद ही हाँ ओला उबर के लिए चलाते थे। इन्हें तो पहले खून पिए बहुत ज़्यादा, हाँ शोषण किया, बिना बात के आईडी बंद कर देते हैं, बिना बात के कुछ सुनाई नहीं होता। कॉल करो तो कहते हैं ऐसा है, कल बात कर। 8 बजे से 8 बजे तक होते हैं, रात में ड्राइवर चलता है, उसके लिए सेफ्टी नहीं है कॉल सेंटर उनके पास, या ड्राइवर मर जाए। ये 2 दिन पहले रिपोर्टों में ये हरियाणा में मर्डर हुआ, आपको पता ही होगा मैम कितना स्थिति अब हुआ है। तो अब भारत टैक्सी आई है ना, तो हमारा सीना तोड़ा है, तो अब हमारा पुलिस साथ है, वो तुरंत एक्शन लेंगे। थैंक यू मैम।
So what is Bharat Taxi all about? None better than the CEO to explain it to us. So if you could just help our viewers of CNN News 18 understand, what is Bharat Taxi? Why is it the need of the hour for the country?
Bharat, actually, I must say, it is the heart of the people of the country. We carried out lots of analysis. We went on the ground and we talked to the drivers, whom we now proudly call Sarthis. So no more we are using the word driver, we are using the word Sarthi. And the customers also, we met them, we carried out a detailed analysis of almost 30 cities in India. And then we realized that there are some fault lines in this entire process. While the Sarthis, they work for 14 hours, 14 to 15 hours, they earn minimal. Most of the money goes as a commission to the aggregator companies. And there is no social security schemes or social security benefits for the driver, and these companies, they are earning lots of profits from the hard work being carried out by the drivers or the Sarthis. So we realized that we must implement some strategy which would help the Sarthis as well as the customers. When we went to the customers also, someday they used to, for a particular distance, they used to pay 200. On some other days, 500.
Surge pricing.
Surge pricing. Morning some other price, evening some other price, and you know there is no transparency in this algorithm. But when you will travel in Bharat Taxi, you'll find same price in the morning, same price in the evening, same price in the afternoon.
Also, anything that you're doing specifically for customer safety, because that was also an issue with private aggregator taxis.
Absolutely. We have you know, wherever we are going, we are collaborating with the state police. We we are in direct collaboration with the police. For example, in Delhi, we are directly collaborating with the Delhi police for the safety aspect. Also, you know, the will also monitor, will track the customers' movement. Also, we will. Whenever any customer is traveling, you know, they can share their location with near dear ones also. So lots of features are going to come in the Bharat Taxi, which will ensure safety of the customers.
Okay, so if you're a customer who has been struggling to get a private taxi, or if you are a driver or a Sarthi, as the Bharat Taxi app will now call you, this could be the next new venture, the next frontier to win over in the battle against traffic congestion and getting your own comfortable ride.
And one more thing I want to bring out, you know, whatever the profits this aggregator company earns, it goes to the single person, the owner of that company. But over here also the profit will go to the Malik. But for us, Malik are the Sarthis. So this is a non-profit organization. Entire profit of this organization will go to our Sarthis, and will also look after their welfare, their social well-being. We have already established 7 Sahayata Kendras in Delhi, where 24/7 will be available for our Sarthis. And nonetheless, we have also opened 24/7 customer helpline, where customer can also express their grievances. And we would assure that the customer is also very important for our Maliks, and for our Sarthis. Customers are very important, and will take care of our customers, and and will give them the premium service.
Thank you so
And will also ensure the safety, which is the most important aspect.
Thank you. Thank you for speaking to CNN News.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Been fighting so long and so hard that they don't know what the they're doing.